My lovely people, welcome to Daily Updates channel. If for the first time you are to my channel, please subscribe and support this channel. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, Cloud, Devops, Java for Studies, and moreover, if you're looking for any internship in these domains, you can also apply to this. Okay, I have tried to cover internship as well as Java for Studies in this video. Okay, now let's get to the first one, Java for Study. That is from WizLab. Okay, the company name is WizLab. As you can see here, the mainly hiring for the position of AWS Labs Support Engineer. The position is AWS Labs Support Engineer, and this is moreover a full-time job opportunity. I'm telling you, moreover, this is a full-time job opportunity. Here they have mentioned about the roles and key responsibilities about everything. So I'm going to explain you directly about the requirement section. Please, this is very important. So and let's get into the minimum qualifications. Here they have mentioned minimum qualification is cloud knowledge. It should be intermediate level. Okay, not to be not to be high level or not to be very basic level. It should be intermediate level. That mainly they have mentioned the cloud is AWS cloud. If you are very good or if you are good at AWS cloud means you can apply. AWS certification is required. See, if you are having a basic, it may be cloud practitioner, it may be a solution architect. Okay, if you have any one of this certificate also you can apply, not a problem. Or if you have done some many other AWS certification from AWS only, then you can also apply. Hands-on experience on cloud environment. See, you should have at least worked on the AWS cloud. Okay, otherwise you should have at least done some projects, internships or real-time projects based on the cloud environment. Analytical skills, experience in understanding the cloud issues and fixing. See, you should understand what if there is any issue in the cloud, okay, and you should ready to fix, because that is the major aim. That is the major target. Okay, Python knowledge, Boto 3 intermediate. See, you should also have at least a Python intermediate knowledge, not to basic or to the not to the not to the great level, but you should have very good knowledge on Python Boto 3 also. And they also mentioned Terraform knowledge is also intermediate. You should have Terraform knowledge also intermediate, and you should have effective writing communication skills. Okay, so this was the first job opportunity where you can apply to this job opening. Is just click on this apply for this job opening. Okay, as you can see here, it has opened the everything. You just need to fill your resume, or you can apply your resume also and enter your personal details and everything. If you are having experience, fill the experience as 6 months, 10 months of internship experience. If you don't have experience, click as 0. Okay, and you need to fill this. These are very important and mandatory. Okay, so please fill this as according to the job description. They have already told about AWS cloud, Terraform, Python Boto 3. So please mention this and apply. Okay, then only you are going to get selected. Otherwise your resume will not be shortlisted, I'm telling you. So this was the first job opportunity. Now let's get to the second one. The second one is also from the same company. As you can see, the position is different. Okay, cloud developer. Here the position is cloud developer, and moreover this is also a full-time opportunity, guys. Okay, so no need to worry about the job tension and everything. Here they are mainly hiring for the qualifications. The person who is having cloud knowledge, it may be AWS, Azure, GCP. As I've already told you, you should be very good, or you should have very intermediate knowledge on. It may be any cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay, hands-on experience on cloud environment means you should have worked, or you should have knowledge on the cloud environment. Analytical skills, experience in understanding the cloud issues and fixing. See, these are same things which they have previously asked. Okay, you should be very good at fixing the issues and troubleshooting. Python Boto 3 knowledge, intermediate level. And next they have also mentioned is Terraform. If you don't know Terraform, you can just learn in 2 days. Terraform, completely Terraform, you can learn in 2 days. Okay, certification, value addition. If you have certification, that is value added. Okay, if you don't have also, not a problem, you can easily apply. English writing skill. Okay, you should be read and write English also. So how you need to apply for this is just click on this apply now section. Okay, apply now, and you need to fill this. form, everything. Okay. So this was the second job opportunities for you. Now let's get into the, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel and watch this video completely till the end, guys. Okay. And moreover, as you can see, if you're fresher, AWS, Azure, Cloud, Devops fresher, I have created a playlist for you. As you can see, I have already created a playlist. Okay. You can see all these job openings. And if you want all these job opening links means, please message me in the Instagram handle at this Instagram handle, Vishwakarkale. I'm going to send you all the links completely free without charging single money, guys. I'm telling you, without charging single money. Okay. Now what you need to message, I'm going to tell you. Okay. That is also very important. So if you are AWS fresher or if you're looking for a job in the AWS or DevOps domain, please mention like this. I'm going to send you job links like this. Okay. If you are Azure fresher, mention Azure. GCP fresher, mention GCP fresher. Okay, just need to message me like this. Okay, so this was the thing. Now let's get into the third job opportunity. Okay, as you can see, the third one is from the, in LinkedIn, there is a person called Vijay Kumar. Okay, he is a hiring person. As you can see, he's currently hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. I'm telling you one more thing. He is not the real recruiter. Okay. But he has just copy pasted this job opportunity. But what you need to do is you need to, he has correctly mentioned the email ID. You can send your resume to this email ID. Okay. So before that, let's directly get into the requirement section and everything. Here he has mentioned DevOps engineer position is available. That mainly AWS. Okay. So what you're going to do is implementing and managing the continuous integration and deployment pipeline. See, you are going to work on Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Okay. And next is collaborating with development teams to automate the manual process. You are going to work on the automation also, and designing, deploying, maintaining infrastructure on AWS. See, you are going to create, deploy, maintain the infrastructure on the AWS cloud environment. Okay. What you need to have the technical skill is very good at AWS, proficiency in infrastructure as code. It may be Terraform, CloudFormation. If you know any one of this, or if you know two, so that is very added advantage. And experience with containerization and orchestration. Docker, Kubernetes. See, you should have very good hands-on experience on Docker as well as Kubernetes. They have just asked for AWS, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes. And moreover, if you know automation and CI/CD, also that is very, very fine. So how you need to send your resume is minnie@mintcore.com. minnie@mintcore.com. This is the HR email ID. So you need to send your email ID to this person. There is a person called Sharavanan Arumurugan. Okay, his name is Sharavanan Arumurugan. He is a director at Devops and Cloud. Okay, he has clearly mentioned everything. Please read this. Okay, job opening, Devops intern, 0 to 6 months of experience. The position he is hiring for is Devops intern. And if you are having 0 years of experience or 3 months, 6 months of internship experience, work experience, also apply. Location, Bangalore. Flexible hybrid remote work options also available. I think this is based on your choice, guys. If you want to work from office, you can just go to the office and work, or else you can just work remotely. Okay. Work options are available. He has clearly mentioned. And he has also mentioned the company name as Betaflex. Okay. As mentioned, the company name is Betaflex. And he has given the apply at devops@betaflex.com. Okay. You need to send your resume to this. Okay, and what he has mentioned, everything, let's get what we offer, what is going to offer, a stipend for internship duration. See, this is internship position, I'm telling you, and they are going to provide a stipend. It may be 15,000, 20,000, 30,000 based on the expectation and company project, everything, it going to be decided. Potential for the full-time employment based on performance. See, if you perform very well on this 3 or 6 months of internship, you are going to get a job. That completely depends upon your performance during the internship period. Okay, and an environment that fosters learning and practical applications of DevOps methodologies. See, you will be in the environment where you will be learning everyday DevOps tools and technologies and methodologies. Okay, flexible working options catering to both hybrid and remote preferences. Okay, see, I have already told you. it's on your choice. If you want to go to our office, you can just go and work, or if you want remote option also, there is a chance. Qualifications, and this is very important, up to 0 to 6 months of experience and relevant field, not more than 6. See, if you are having more than 6 months of experience in any other field or in this field, not in other field, if you are having more than 6 months of experience, particularly in this field, you cannot apply. Okay. Basic knowledge of Linux administration, AWS core services, EC2, VPC, ENB, S3, RDS, IAM, Lambda. See, you should know Linux administration, basic. No, they are clearly mentioned basic. Okay. And you should know what is EC2, what is UAW, what is WPC. Okay. Sorry, VPC, ENB, S3, RDS, IAM, Lambda, everything you should know. Okay. Familiarity with Docker and basic understanding of Kubernetes. You should be very good at Docker and Kubernetes. Insight into the CI/CD methodologies, observability tools, infrastructure as code. See, they have also mentioned you should be very good at Jenkins. Okay, it may be GitLab, it may be Travis CI. It's your choice. CI/CD methodologies, observability, it may be Grafana, Prometheus, anything. And infrastructure code as, okay, it may be Terraform or CloudFormation. So these are this, and they also mentioned these are just common additional requirements points they have mentioned. So don't take this. And look at this here. They have mentioned the selected candidate will undergo a probation period of 3 to 6 months to evaluate mutual fit and performance. See, they have clearly mentioned this internship is going to be beyond 3 months, and it may be for extended for 6 months based on their project. Okay, so be prepared for this. How we need to apply for this internship is Devops at betaflags.com. Okay. If you perform well, you are going to get a job also. So this was the 4th job opportunity for you. Now let's get to the 5th one. Here there is one person called HR Bhumika Chaudhary. She is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer, and she is mainly looking for the skilled person who is very good at AWS, Azure, GCP. If you just know any one cloud, you can easily apply to this job opening. And moreover, as you can see here, she has mentioned 0 to 2 years of experience. If you are having 6 months of internship experience, 10 months of internship experience, 1-2 years of experience in a related field, okay, related field, you can apply. How you need to apply is you just need to connect to our LinkedIn profile. You need to connect, then send your resume. Okay. So this was the 5th job opportunity for you. Now the last one. Okay, the last one opportunity for you as I have got from this. Okay. Here they are mainly hiring for the position of AWS cloud engineer. Okay, there is a one intern position is going. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of AWS cloud engineer. Role is intern. Location is Nagpur. Okay, and the qualification is B any stream. You may be civil, mech, or maybe from computer science, IT, CS, IC, or E, triple EC, anything, guys. Or if you are completed MC, BC, BCCA, BSc, NSc, they are clearly mentioned will be from any degree, not a problem. Skills, familiar with basic programming. If you know what is just at least C, C++, Python, anyone, at least basic, any one programming language, that is fine. Ability to use OS, Windows and Linux. See, you should be able to use at least Windows as or a Linux. Okay. Basic knowledge about cloud. You should have very good basic knowledge about maybe AWS, Azure, GCP, anything. It's your wish. You should be at least have knowledge on one of your choice to cloud. Written communication, well developed verbal skills. You should have very good writing skills as well as speaking skills. Okay. Ability to effectively learn and acquire new knowledge and skills. You should be ready to learn new technologies every day, guys. Okay. So if you want to send your resume, you can see that perceptruchik@1gmail.com. This is the person email ID. You can send your email ID to this person, or you can directly contact. Okay, you need to directly contact you can directly call him and contact this person regarding this job opportunity also. Okay, and here they have mentioned fresher need to undergo with a training program. First, if you are a fresher, you will be undergoing a training program. So these were the job openings which I wanted to show you for the today's, guys. If you are looking for any other government job opportunities, please mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring you other domain job openings also. Have a good day. Bye.